Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
If you've ever daydreamed of a home that feels both cozy and effortlessly chic, then Scandi Boho Decor might just be your dream come true. This fusion of two popular design styles, Scandinavian minimalism and Bohemian eclecticism, offers the perfect blend of calm, functional beauty and bold, artistic expression. Picture light, airy spaces adorned with textured fabrics, earthy tones, and quirky touches from all over the world. Let's dive into how you can bring this stunning design concept into your home. Scandi design is known for its use of light, neutral colors, whites, soft grays, and beiges, which create a serene and calming atmosphere. To infuse some boho vibes, add rich, earthy tones like terracotta, mustard yellow, or even deep jewel tones. This balance of soft neutrals and vibrant hues is the essence of Scandi Boho Decor, creating a warm, welcoming space that feels both open and lived in. Wood, rattan, jute, and leather are all staples in both Scandinavian and Bohemian design. In a Scandi Boho space, you'll want to layer these materials to create a sense of texture and depth. Think rattan baskets for storage, woven jute rugs to anchor a room, and wooden furniture pieces that feel rustic yet refined. The key here is to embrace nature's beauty and let it shine through in every element of your decor. One of the joys of boho decor is the free-spirited approach to mixing patterns. In a Scandi boho space, this means layering different textiles with ease. Consider soft wool throws, chunky knitted pillows, or patterned cushions in contrasting colors. Mix plaid with stripes or geometric prints with floral designs. The goal is to create a space that feels cozy, layered, and full of character, without looking too busy or overwhelming. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and leave a comment below telling us what part of Scandi Boho decor you're excited to try in your own home. No Scandi Boho home is complete without a touch of greenery. Plants bring life to any room, and their organic shapes contrast beautifully with the clean lines of Scandinavian furniture. Opt for a variety of plants, from tall floor plants like fiddle-leaf figs to small succulents on shelves or windowsills. Incorporate hanging planters, or go for an oversized potted plant to anchor the room. Greenery will not only bring a breath of fresh air into your home, but it also ties together the natural materials and warm, earthy color palette of Scandi Boho design. One of the best ways to bring Scandi Boho decor into your home is by creating a cozy reading nook. Imagine a soft, textured blanket draped over a comfy armchair, a wrought tan side table with a candle, and an assortment of cushions in rich, earthy tones. Incorporate shelves filled with books, and don't forget a soft, glowing light for those quiet evenings spent reading. This little corner of your home will become your personal sanctuary, reflecting the comfort and tranquility that both Scandinavian and Bohemian styles embrace. Lighting is crucial to achieving that perfect Scandi Boho vibe. Opt for soft, ambient lighting from a mix of floor lamps, pendant lights, and table lamps. For a boho touch, consider using lampshades made of natural materials like wrought tan or wicker. Incorporating candles into the decor is another way to create a warm, inviting atmosphere, especially in the evening. The combination of soft lighting and natural materials will create an intimate, relaxed environment perfect for unwinding after a long day. Bohemian decor thrives on a curated, lived-in feel, so be sure to incorporate some unique, personal items into your home. Look for vintage finds, global treasures, or handcrafted art that speaks to you. Whether it's a hand-woven tapestry, a vintage mirror with a distressed frame, or a set of ceramic vases, these pieces will add character and a sense of history to your Scandi Boho space. Display your artistic touches on open shelving or hang them on the walls to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Scandi design prioritizes open, airy spaces with a sense of flow. To keep the Scandi Boho feel cohesive, ensure your space feels uncluttered and free from excess. Stick to functional furniture that serves a purpose, and avoid overcrowding the room with too many pieces. The open space will allow the textures, colors, and decor elements to breathe and shine. Scandi Boho Decor brings the best of both worlds, the simple, functional beauty of Scandinavian style and the eclectic, Bohemian spirit of creativity and individuality. By embracing natural materials, layering textiles, and mixing bold patterns and earthy tones, you can transform your home into a peaceful yet vibrant retreat. Whether you're lounging in a cozy reading nook or enjoying a cup of coffee surrounded by greenery, Scandi Boho Decor will turn your home into a sanctuary full of warmth, charm, and personal flair. Happy decorating!